Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the month again. For July, I have my Ipsy bag. Came in the mail today. I was not expecting it because I just got my notification telling me that it was on its way. So I definitely wasn't expecting it today, but since I got it, we're gonna go ahead and crack it open. I don't know what's in here because I haven't been watching any spoilers or anything, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so first off, I see I have a couple of masks in my bag this month because they are outside of my actual cosmetic bag that we get. So this is kind of cute. It's kind of like a turquoise metallic type looking bag, and it has the zipper on the front of the bag as opposed to on the top, and of course it has the little Ipsy on there. I don't know if you can see that. So it says Ipsy on there, very cute. So let's take a look at these masks since these are the first things that I see. I have here, they're both from Fresh Garden, and it says Acai Berry Calming Mask, which is this one. And then I have the Pomegranate Firming Mask, which is this one. So I got two nice masks in my bag this month. Never complain about masks because I love face masks. Use them all the time. Okay, let me go ahead and take my card out of here. So this is what the card looks like this month. It says July 2018. Beautiful woman on the card. And on the back, let's see, just has some general information. It doesn't look like information on the products though, but let me make sure. Okay, so it says here, ready to dive into summer, your 5 glam bag picks, pool ready makeup bag, and a ton of inspo on the Ipsy app are here to help you make a splash. Okay, so let's see, 30% back cash back on all these products. Oh, very cool. Okay, so anywho, just some general information on the back of my card, nothing special. And I guess this is like more of a waterproof type material since I'm supposed to be pool ready. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab this item here. So this is from Sage Cosmetic. It is a nail polish. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So it says Nail Lacquer Red Carnival. So this is the nail polish color that I got. So it's kind of an interesting color for summer. It kind of reminds me a little bit more of fall actually, because it kind of looks a little bit orangey or pumpkin-esque. Doesn't really look like a red to me, but it says it is Red Carnival. Next I have here Smashbox Studio Skin Waterproof Concealer. So this is a concealer that I got in my bag, and this one here says it is in the color dark. Okay, very nice. Waterproof concealer, 24-hour wear, oil free. Let me go ahead and just check this out. Ooh, that's a nice shade actually. That is a very nice shade. It's nice and soft, kind of like a caramel shade, so it's not too bright. So yeah, I really like that. Very nice. Smashbox. I've never tried Smashbox concealer, so I'm excited about that. Next, I have here Not a Perfume. Juliet Has a Gun perfumes. So it's in this little box. My box is a little bit beat up. So let's go ahead and take a look. Juliet Has a Gun. So this is what the little perfume sample looks like. And this is actually a very decent sized sample. This looks like about 2 or 3 of the normal little teeny tiny samples of perfume that you get. So let me go ahead and see what it says here. Does it have a description? Let's see here. Yeah, no. Okay, so let me smell it. Hopefully it doesn't stink. Actually it doesn't. It's very soft. It smells kind of pretty. It actually reminds me of like a field of daisies. So yeah, it smells a little bit floral, kind of light, nothing heavy or musky, but it actually smells quite nice. It does definitely remind me of like spring or summer, so really nice. I like that. Okay, Juliet Has a Gun. Okay, and I have one more item in my bag. So this month I got I got 4 products and 2 face masks. So this is from NYX, and this is one of their soft matte lip creams, and this is in the color Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo, very hard to pronounce. Sao Paulo. But this is the shade on that. I'm not going to open this up because it has this nice tight plastic seal or coat on this lipstick, and the reason I'm not going to open this up is because I have like a whole big tray of NYX lipsticks that I need to go through. So I don't need to open this, but that is the shade that I got in this month's bag. So a nice lipstick shade from NYX. I got some nail lacquer from Sage Cosmetic, kind of like a nice orangey or pumpkin-y type shade. I got a nice Smashbox waterproof concealer, so not bad, not bad. I got my perfume that actually smells quite nice, and then I also got these 2 face masks in my Ipsy bag this month. So those are all of my items in my Ipsy bag for the month of July. I hope you enjoyed watching me open it, and I'll be curious to see what you guys are getting in your Ipsy bag this month. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles!